Mú kí wa gbogbo olólùfẹ́ ìkànnì Holy Jesus TV yóò dára fún wa, àánú Ọlọ́run ní fi wá sílẹ̀. Ẹ wo máa lọ play fídíò yìí fún wa nísìnyí, fídíò tí à ń wò níwájú mi. Mo máa play fídíò yẹn fún wa. Ẹ̀yin òbí ẹ súnmọ́ bí, gbogbo àwọn ọ̀dọ́bìnrin yín pátápátá tó jẹ́ ọmọ yín ẹ pè wọ́n ṣàkíyèsí, àwọn tí ò ń ṣe ọmọ yín tó wà láyìíká yín ẹ pè wọ́n ṣàkíyèsí kan wá wo fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá mi pín káàkiri bákan náà kó kárí gbogbo àwọn ọ̀dọ́bìnrin kí wọ́n rí àti àwọn òbí kí wọ́n kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ńlá. Ṣẹ́rí àánú àwọn ọ̀dọ́bìnrin àkókò yìí ń ṣe mí o. Mo gbàdúrà fún wa lórúkọ Jésù Kristi, a ò ní fojú sunkún ọmọ lórúkọ Jésù. Ọmọ wo ò ní kúkú òjijì, ẹ̀mí àìnítẹ́lọ́rùn ojú kòkòrò tó ń gba ẹ̀mí ọmọ mọ́ni lọ́wọ́ lójijì lórúkọ Jésù kò ní bàlẹ́ àwọn ọmọ wa. Ẹ bá mi pín gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ sọ èrò ọkàn yín bákan náà. Bí mo ṣe rí fídíò yẹn ni mo ṣe ní kí n mú wá fún wa pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa a lè má ì tí ì rí. Nítorí náà ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ farabalẹ̀ ká wo fídíò yìí ká wò títí dópin. Ẹ ṣé, yóò dára fún wa.
Alive on Sunday after visiting an upcoming popular artist, musician, whatever. His name is OG1 Savage. You guys must have known him. You know him now. Egungun of Lagos to interviewed him one time and all. So this is how it happened. This girl has been talking to this guy. They met on Instagram for over a month now. Finally, on January 26th, on Sunday, this girl decided to visit the OG1 Savage. He was on the island with his friend in an apartment. Then he invited this girl. When she was about to go to church, he invited her to come to the apartment on a Sunday. So this girl just left her tithe and a prayer point and write it in an envelope and drop it for her mom and went out to visit this guy. On getting to this guy's house, maybe the guy was trying to make advance on the girl and everything. She was like, no, she doesn't want to have anything, that she's still trying to go home that particular day. Maybe she'll come back home. You never can tell, allegedly. Don't take anything in that guy's house. So after a while, she asked the guy to please give her water, which the guy gave her water, but giving her that water, he spiked that water with something, like he put something inside. So this girl was very smart because she noticed and she tasted something in the water, and she texted her sister the address, and also text her sister that something is wrong with her, that it looks like they spike her drink and everything. Mind you, this girl, which her name is Rachel, this girl is pregnant for a serious boyfriend. Yes, she has a serious relationship. It looks like the girl is like a lash artist or something. She has a serious relationship. Who is pregnant for a serious boyfriend and went to see OG1 Savage. Why? Because OG1 Savage promised to change her phone. So that was why she went to see this guy. And this guy, I mean, you can't just meet anybody and just go see them. It's actually, I don't feel like it does make sense, to be very honest. That's why you see, we need to be very, very careful. Now, the news is still very new. They've not really said what really happened. If the guy used her or it was a mistake. And mind you, he spiked her drink. And he did not know she was pregnant. So maybe that thing affected her or something and all, but nobody knows about it now. So the girl's sister got the information and went to the apartment where the girl said she was. On getting there, the girl was complaining that her legs are doing somehow, she's feeling somehow, and they rushed her to the hospital. The first hospital she was rushed to, they took her, they said they could not accept her. Then on getting to the second hospital, she died. And now the guy is, this OG1 Savage, the guy is in police station right now, and there's an investigation is still on because they don't really know what happened to the girl. This OG1 and his friends are denying them ever getting involved with the girl, like her death, and saying that they did not do anything. The girl just started complaining, blah 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 blah. And mind you, when this Rachel's sister got to the location, they met the girl on another clothes, like when the clothes she wore was different from the one she was wearing in the guy's house. That's one. And again, the girl was naked. Yes, she was naked and wet. So when they asked OG1 Savage why was she wet, he said, oh, because of when she was complaining about her body and everything, they were trying to like bathe her and pour her water to know what's really going on. Now the girl is dead, and the family are coming out to ask for justice because this guy is, I mean, is wealthy, probably, I don't know, and he may probably bribe, you never can tell. So they're asking for justice and everything. But my own here is, why will you be pregnant for another guy and a a serious guy for that matter, and going to see another person. I know you can't be perfect 100%, but still, it doesn't just still make sense. His house. What do you feel will happen when you get there? But I pray she get the justice she really deserve. But to be honest, that mistake was just a great, like it was just Jesus.
Ẹ ṣe gbogbo ojú tí àdìjọ wo fídíò yìí pátápátá mo kí wa pé a kú sùúrù àti àkókò wa tàbí sílẹ̀ láti jọ wo fídíò yìí. Ẹ̀yin náà rí fídíò yìí bó ṣe lọ. Fún àǹfààní ara tó jẹ́ pé fìtìfìtì ẹ jẹ́ n sáré yára sọ fún wa ní Yorùbá ní kúkúrú. Arákùnrin OG Savage àbí kí náà ti pè Rachel ọmọbìnrin yẹn ó yẹ kó tẹ̀lé yẹ lọ sí church, ṣùgbọ́n nítorí arákùnrin ọmọkùnrin tuntun tó bá pàdé lórí Instagram yìí ó ní láti dọ́gbọ́n excuse. Ó sọ fún àwọn òbí ẹ̀ pé prayer point òun lélẹ̀ kán bá òun submit ẹ̀ ní church nígbà òun fẹ́ sáré dé ibì kan. So ibi tó lọ yìí ọ̀dọ̀ arákùnrin yìí tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bá pàdé ní orí Instagram yìí ló lọ. Bí ó ṣe dé ilé arákùnrin yẹn ló ṣàkíyèsí pé bóyá arákùnrin yẹn fẹ́ bá ní nǹkan papọ̀ tàbí bákan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣá ó kò ṣáà gbà. Níwọ̀n ìgbà tó ti wá jókòó díẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ arákùnrin yẹn ó béèrè fún omi nígbà òun fẹ́ mu omi. Arákùnrin yẹn ó wá ṣàkíyèsí pé arákùnrin yẹn ti fi nǹkan kan sí omi yẹn, bó ṣe mu omi yẹn ó tèstì pé omi yẹn yàtọ̀ lẹ́nu bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n kó tó di pé bóyá ohun tó fi sínú omi yẹn kó tó di pé ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣiṣẹ́ lára arábìnrin yẹn ó ní láti ṣe kíni, ó ní láti tètè ya text message ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ address ibi tóun wà in case tóun kóun bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí òun. Ìdí tó dẹ̀ fi lọ òun leléyìí o. Ìdí tó fi lọ bá arákùnrin yìí ni pé arákùnrin yìí ó ṣàdéhùn fi pé òun fẹ́ pààrọ̀ fóònù fún ọmọbìnrin tá à ń pè ní Rachel yìí. Now ọmọbìnrin yìí sìn ó ní ọ̀rẹ́kùnrin tí wọ́n jọ ní àdéhùn tó ní agbára láàárín àwọn méjèèjì. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí arábìnrin tó gbé fídíò yìí wá gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tó sọ, ó ní ọmọbìnrin Rachel yìí pàápàá ó ti lóyún, ó ti ní oyún wà nínú ẹ̀. So ohun tí arákùnrin tó ń pè ní G1 Savage yìí tó fi sínú omi fún ọmọbìnrin yìí bóyá òun ló wá ó bóyá ó ní agbára ó ní bóyá ó ṣe kankan sí ó affect oyún yẹn ni kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀. Àmọ́ ìgbà tí ẹ̀gbọ́n ọmọbìnrin yẹn máa fi padà dé tó máa fi get address ilé yẹn ó bá ọmọbìnrin yẹn níhòòhò. Omi dẹ̀ kún gbogbo ara ẹ̀ bíi pé kéèyàn wet bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọkùnrin àti ọ̀rẹ́ wa ń sọ wípé àgbà tó ń complain pé kankan ń ṣe òun làwọn ṣe ní pé káwọn ṣe yẹn fún káwọn domi sí lára kárẹ̀ kó lè wálẹ̀. Lọ́wọ́ kan ṣá ọmọbìnrin yẹn ti kú. Wọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí ọmọbìnrin dẹ̀ sọ kíní kan G1 Savage arákùnrin yẹn wọ́n ló lókìkí nípò òun náà ó ní lọ́wọ́ ó lówó lọ́wọ́ dáadáa wípé ṣùgbọ́n wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá báyìí tí wọ́n ń fọ̀rọ̀ wá lẹ́nu wò. Òbí ọmọbìnrin yẹn wọ́n ń béèrè fún ìdájọ́ òdodo. Ṣùgbọ́n ohun tí ìdí tí mo ṣe play fídíò fún wa ni pé irú àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ báyìí kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Àkọ́kọ́ ìwọ ọmọbìnrin Rachel yìí ó ti kú báyìí sìn kí kọ́lọ́hún kó rọ àwọn òbí ẹ̀ kó rọ̀ wọ́n lójú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. But ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́bìnrin ẹ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ kí ló ṣe yín. Irú àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ báyìí kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀ kò ń ṣe tuntun. Ẹ̀dẹ̀mọ ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ̀mọ ohun tó wà níta lónìí. Kí ló ń jó yín lọ́wọ́ tẹ̀ fi jólẹ̀ kí lẹ̀ ń wá. Ó fẹ́ pààrọ̀ fóònù fún ẹ ọmọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bá pàdé lórí Instagram tó mọlé tó mọ̀nà ẹ̀ tó mọ kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ tó mọ ohun tó lè ṣe tó mọ irú ọkàn tó ní irú èrò tó ní tó mọ ìgbé ayé tó ń gbé tó mọ bó ṣe léwu sí tàbí tí ó jẹ́ ẹni téèyàn lè bá rìn tó dẹ̀ sáré kù gìrì tó lọ. Instead tó bá fi tẹ̀lé àwọn òbí ẹ̀ lọ sí chọ́ọ̀chì ọ̀tọ̀ níbi tó gbà lọ. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ lóde lónìí wípé ganu sí ìwọ náà sáré ganu sí wo ohun tó ganu sínsìn ó ti ṣe kíni ó ti mẹ́mí ẹ lọ. Ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́bìnrin tẹ̀ ń wo fídíò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ẹ̀yin òbí tẹ̀ ń wo fídíò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ẹ pé àwọn ọmọ yín ṣàkíyèsí kọ́mọ ohun tí wọ́n máa ganu sí ní 2025 yìí. Nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní 2025 yìí gan. Bá ṣe wọnú ọdún yìí ní January yìí báyìí ẹ̀mọye nǹkan ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ti ganu sí nǹkan tó yẹ kí wọ́n ganu sí tó dẹ̀ ti gba ẹ̀mí wọn lọ. Nítorí náà ẹ jẹ́ ká fi fídíò tí mo mú wá fún wa yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká fi kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́bìnrin. Lóòótọ́ bẹ́ ṣe wo fídíò yìí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ sọ pé ọmọbìnrin yẹn Rachel time tiẹ̀ ni orí ẹ̀ ló gbà bọ̀dẹ̀ ìgbà kan àwo kan ṣẹ́rí ẹni tí ó bá ṣọ́ rẹ̀ ni Ọlọ́run ń ṣọ́. Obì tó bá dẹ̀ forí ara rẹ̀ pamọ́ sábẹ́ ewé, obì tó bá forí ara rẹ̀ pamọ́ sábẹ́ ewé, òun ló máa ń gbó. Nítorí náà tí Ọlọ́run bá ń ṣọ́ ẹ, ìwọ gan ṣọ́ rẹ̀ fún rẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ kí ìrìn ẹsẹ̀ yín ẹ jẹ́ kó mọ́. Kò jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́, mo mélè wá fún wa ká fi kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ni, yóò dára fún wa. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo tún gbàdúrà yẹn, àwọn òbí a ò ní fojú sunkún ọmọ wa ò ní kúkú òjijì. Bá ṣe wọ 2025 yìí lórúkọ Jésù Kristi, ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà ìdùnnú la máa fi parí ẹ̀ lórúkọ Jésù. Ẹ̀mí àìnítẹ́lọ́rùn, ẹ̀mí ganu sí ohun tó yẹ ká ganu sí tó lè mẹ́mú wa lólójijì lórúkọ Jésù kò ní bàlẹ̀ wa, kò ní bàlẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ wa. Ẹ ṣé, yóò dára fún wa. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, ẹ bá mi pín fídíò yìí, ẹ bá mi pín káàkiri. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ sọ èrò ọkàn yín. Ẹ ṣé, àlàáfíà ni fún yín o.